Yeah, me there again once more, people. Manners and respect to each and every one. Alright, my people, so, me said this before, I'm gonna say it again. You have good police and you have bad police. You have good law enforcers and you have some law enforcers who do some things that are considered as bad. So, in my point of view, it is not okay for everyone, our people, to judge every police or every law enforcers based on what some police and some law enforcers are done. No, I don't think so. See me? Because you have the good ones, you have the bad ones. So, more I listen to some words that a person said in a video that I'm about to present to you. And you might be surprised to hear some of the words that the person said. So, viewer discretion is advised for this video. Listen, look, observe, and tell me what you think also.
Yeah, me I tell you, because I only can't harm my body, I can't harm my soul either. But I lick out for enough for you too. See, all the nigga lock up, you not treat the prisoner them good. Enough of them have health issues. I don't want the woman carry sugar and water go give them. And dumpling. When really and truly them family sometimes pay the lady where they in a bar cook for them. Cook some nice food for them. You understand? I don't want ill treat them, stop certain things. You understand? I did it for years and I said, no man, I don't like how they deal a prisoner them. When you ill treat them and then when them do something and dash water upon you know, when you go against their rights, I lick out upon everyone on the down there, I'm not afraid of none of them too. When you go against their rights, and I get a soldier in a problem, because I carry a soldier around there, you go beat them up, and I make all one prisoner named Bulby. Them beat him, and then make video and then laugh when them shout out, Miss Mitchell, and now I beat them around there, kick them up, and make all them on foot dig out him, I go to hospital, I forget stitches on him foot, toe him foot right and shank the so tear off. And them think they are cruelty. And I see them think they in my heart, I'm sorry for the prisoner them. You see me? And that is why I'm not like me, I'm not care. I'm not care if you know like me. I'm not stand up and watch you know and ill treat all the prisoner them you. Because the prisoner them, they are not bad person as much as they do crime. Them positive. A Spain Town then call me and then say, yo, Spain Town, everything alright, beg a ginger beer no. And if me have it, me buy it and say, Miss Pan, we are go around just throw it out, give them, you see me? Because them can drink them water and then juice. And Miss Pam, big up yourself over Nigel police station. Big up yourself. I love how you treat them. You cook your food for them and thing. You treat them good. But some police, someone who take money and go around there for carry things, go give them, who carry a knife, and then think they go give them and charge them all 30 grand. You see me? And them thing there. And I do it, you know. But because I see all a young man like me, you know, where them rate me, and if nothing for go on, I say, no man, yo, no calm down man, and then listen. And because you might to an inspector or one sergeant, you can't talk to them, they might tell you to go run on their mother. And you see one young youth like me come there and say, yo, nobody that man, and the man then cool. Because they respect me, and I respect them.
Okay.
When I ill treat the prisoner them. I'm a witness on a ill treat the prisoner them. Like them on a body. Like they have rights to. And if I prisoner them afraid for talk. I'm not afraid of none of them. If I stop ill-treat the prisoner, them stop ill-treat the people, them. I soon lock up people, and you don't have a reason for lock up a man, like a man named Delroy, on the beach road. You don't lock up a man, and the man must say, yo, what not lock me up for? You don't start beat up a man, say, I resist arrest. Them things, them I not uphold with my friend. You see me? So if you don't want like me, I don't want to build one bag of allegations against me, say me have been erring, and say me this and me that in a uniform. I don't care. Because on a police force, a life stop. And it's not the government, and it's not the government either. You see me? There's a lot of good police in a Negril. You see me? You have Brown, you have Gawaki, you have Bray, you have a whole heap of good police. You see me? You have a lot of good police in a Negril. You have a lot of good police in Westmoreland Division. But there's so much corrupt ones. That the good police cannot even strive. The good police can't get for the goodness, because if you do goodness around them, it's like them a vampire. It's like them want to corrupt you too. It's like them want to make you know, say, yo, you come to Westmoreland and come see me, say, if you follow my orders. You know. Enough time police, we don't really want to go on a ticket, because we want to go on a ticket, you know. But it's a requirement sometimes.
Okay.
Especially when you're young, you have to write about 75. In a probationary period.
Yeah,
so we have to be strict sometimes. But that no mean say we don't have discretion. You get me? And that no mean say we are this, you know. But the government love we as police, but the government don't know what we are go through as a young police.
Real.
Or 50-year-old is soon if you force. I should about 21-year-old like me. And me have nearly 40 years left in our force. The government, they really believe the government to kick out me when you only have all a year left. You done do your work already, you know. Step aside now, man. A whole heap of foolish you are do too. Step aside. A whole heap of mistake you make and nobody na should be out. So why you say a young youth, you fight a young youth out and work? Where you want me turn? Gunman? A gunman you want me turn? You not live to see that, my friend. You not live to see that. Cause I done born as a soldier, I done born as somebody who want to protect people. That's what I mean, love. So you want me to turn gunman, brother? Treat the people them good, man. I mean, I care. Westmoreland Division want dig up. Remember me tell you that. You want dig up. You too corrupt. From head to toe, want clean up, fling on the bush. You too corrupt. I mean, I care. Because I have freedom of speech. Enough people don't know so them have rights. I have freedom of speech and freedom of movement. You can't tell me what you go, what you say. You hear that? And no can't tell me in my mouth. Remember me tell you that. If you treat people then good, man. Not treat people then like my dog. The bike man then like my dog. I use all no vehicle I lick off a bike man them. I think I see when I do some things out and nobody now get in a trouble feet. You think I have all police I take taxi with the firearm against the policy.
Alright.
To go all hospital duty. I take taxi with the government gun. You know much things when I do and I get ready. And it's something for you should look at you them on the bus. Go here, man. Police force want to clean up. Commissioner, I hope you see the video. I want to clean up down in Westmoreland. Clean up down the kind of cause mental stress for we. We want to see family and them tell us so you can't get double day off. And by the time if you go all Clarendon or Kingston, one day that take, I not even get a day in my yard. What kind of stress you put up on my brain? I must can get a double day off. I write one for one short leave, I must can get it. You see me? I be a friend thing on the depan. Corruption for stopping our force, because force is a good place. And I love my work. I want to fight me outside.
My people. Some people might say that he's brave to even say some of these words. And please bear in mind that I'm only going by some words that the person said in the video. Based on some words that the person said, I think it is safe for me to assume that the person talk about police officers or police and claim that he's a law enforcer as well. And more you notice that the person mentioned a certain division. And more I take notice of the accent of the person used to talk. So I don't think me need for totally say certain things. Now, this is not the only video posted on social media that shows this person. And you can hear this person talk about police or police force and so forth. See, I tell you, I'm going to move on to another topic. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, so here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between at least one person and the police from within the country of Jamaica. So I got the understanding that the confrontation happened sometime after a bus that has a certain amount of passengers stopped viewing subscribers. And if you listen in the video, can you when at least one person said pepper spray on my people? See me? More I listen. More I look and listen to this video carefully. Please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Look, listen, observe.
You never see nobody in Granted forgive. Can I put people like do exactly? I don't know someone that is no, nobody said that I can't get pepper spray. But that's what he was going to do. The lady sit down work so with our window open and him a pepper spray the people them.
I want to take notice of one of those law enforcers holding something that some people might call a nightstick, as I say. And in my point of view, a person who can you talk in the video, seems as if that person did not agree with the way how he had been treated by police, isn't it? Yeah, based on words that the person say in that video there. It's set away. It really set away, you know, and that's one of the videos them that's being talked about on social media. Alright, my people, so here I'm going to leave a video with you. You know, the video don't have any audio. This video don't have any audio. But you know, this video basically shows some things that happened when a person who was holding on to a handcart or a cart, as well some people might say, had been approached by law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica. You see what I say? Yeah, and I think that at least one of these law enforcers we can see in this video is a person who I see in at least 2 other videos on social media. Yeah. But anyways, may I leave the video with you. You can let me know what you think. Please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. And until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up. Here's the video. Observe. Now, my people, I am not able to tell if those things had been confiscated, you know. But based on the situation, and based on the approach, things look away there, so. You know, yeah, the video itself is being talked about on social media. Again, the video don't have no audio. See? As how me get it, as how me I show you. It's like the person I talk to them. Watch it. Push to the side. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.